Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video where we will be exploring the vibrant shores of Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I am excited to show you the beauty and energy of this iconic destination in stunning 4 Kelvin quality. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy the tour and want to see more like it. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications to be the first to know when new videos are posted. One of the highlights of the tour is the impressive Copacabana Palace Hotel, which has hosted celebrities, politicians, and royalty since 1923. Its luxurious interior and classic architecture make it a must-see stop on our tour.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe my Patreon. Link below.
As we continue walking, we'll pass by several kiosks selling souvenirs, snacks, and drinks. They offer a glimpse into the local culture and lifestyle, and you might even learn a few Portuguese phrases from the friendly vendors. Another popular spot on Copacabana Beach is Forte Copacabana, a historical military fort that now houses a cultural center and a restaurant with panoramic views of the ocean. From here, we can see the famous Sugarloaf Mountain in the distance. Throughout the tour, you'll see why Copacabana Beach is not just a destination, but a way of life. The energy and spirit of this place are contagious, and you'll leave with unforgettable memories. As we come to the end of our tour, I hope you enjoyed exploring the vibrant shores of Copacabana Beach with me. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts about the video. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to see more of my adventures around the world.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!